What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, we want to thank our friends at Motorsports Mechanical out in Australia. These are the guys that, of course, build our R32 GTR engine. They're always making sure they hook us up. It's just sent us a bunch of t-shirts, a bunch of different gifts and stuff, and they working on some custom fabricating stuff that they're doing for the GTR. That's a whole different subject, of course. So today's video.
So you guys, for those that have been watching the channel for a while, I'm sure you remember the white S13 that came into the shop that I had done the KBD body kit, suspension, and the wide body on. Well, you guys are actually about to see 5 months later from that video what the car looks like currently and also the updates. I think you guys are going to really enjoy this car, and it's actually cool because it's the first female car that we featured on the channel. This is our friend Abby's S13 Vert. So yeah, let's see what you guys think.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay, so we are here with Abby. We are super grateful for her for bringing out her gorgeous S13 Vert. Some of you guys might remember from previous videos, this car was also at the shop. We did the body kit. Devin helped me also install the wide body, and we did suspension, coilovers, and stuff like that, Z32 brakes. So as you can see, it's drastically different. She has a very nice touch to the car, especially with the whole color scheme. So tell me, what are the plans next? What do you want to do to the car?
So next I want to clean up some of the interior. Where I'm at now is kind of like at the end of my first phase 1. So phase 2 would be cleaning it up inside. After that, then I'd really want to start touching the engine, and I'm kind of torn on if I want to build my KA
RB.
or to do an RB swap.
Just kidding. I didn't have any influence on that. I'm being serious, but so I'm assuming maybe like seats, steering wheel set up like that. And
yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully a roll cage. I would like to redo the carpet, the door panels, seats, the steering wheel. If I can find a dash at a good price, I would like a new dash. So basically everything in it.
Well, I mean, it's you'll see the interior is actually, especially for an S13, it's relatively like really clean. I mean, yeah, the dash cracks, but it's got a nice dash mat, S14 seats. The door panels aren't horrible, and you know, especially for a lot of S13s which are already gutted or destroyed, this is, you know, pretty nice. But what is your favorite thing about the car, though? What would you point out to people like, hey, this is my like favorite part about it?
The wheels.
The wheels?
Yeah.
Color, or just because?
It just, I don't see too many GMRs on S chassis to start with. The color of it's really cool. Then I like the white face and how when you stand far away from the car, it just looks like a white face with bronze lips. But when you get close, you get that bronze marble detail.
That's actually cool. I didn't really notice that. That's awesome. And then if you guys notice too, it's got a molded wide body, which is really clean. So this is more like a cruiser show car, just kind of like daily type, I'm assuming. Not
Yeah.
like a, okay, yeah. That's awesome. So yeah, she's coming for Devin next, guys. So another cool fact, Abby is the first female that we have had on the channel. If you want to see more of the car, make sure to check her out on Instagram at S13 Abby. And yeah, thank you for bringing the car out, and I hope to see an RB in it next. That'd be nice. And
Thank you for featuring me.
no problem, and we'll go from there. Yeah, all right. I had for build. Check out our motherfucker. I said check out like 4 times. Sorry. It's later from that video what the car looks like currently, and also the updates. I think you guys are gonna really enjoy this car, and it's actually cool because it's the first female car that we featured on the channel. This is our friend Abby's S13 Vert. So yeah, see what you guys think. And also,
We're gonna put that in there? Alright.
you need to check the comments and let us know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed, your mom's a hoe.
Jim Philosophicus.
That's so stupid.
Senor Booking. Please, please. Senor Booking. Oh, the plane, boss. Look at the